Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Ognens. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year we modernized and began replacing the equipment that was morally and technically obsolete. I have been working as a chief technologist for 20 years, and know all the technological processes in the company very well. I myself made the choice of new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changed and automated. The plans for modernization included the purchase of a reactor for the production of an injection drug. I specified a compact machine with automatic control as the main criteria. At first I contacted a company from Germany, which offered me a 100-liter pharmaceutical solution reactor, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment is not included in the price. The delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted a company from Novosibirsk. She said that they do not produce this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are ready to design and produce the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer for the reactor, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another version of the machine. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience with equipment supplied by a Chinese intermediary, when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All companies I phoned to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company in Krasnoyarsk told me to wait 5 minutes, but she did not listen to me. I didn't like such treatment of a client. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me in a polite manner, asked me questions about the required productivity of the equipment, and the desired production time. 3 days later I received 8 variants of reactors from them, and an offer to choose by myself. I understood that they have no professional approach, and they will not help me in my search for the equipment. The third option of the intermediary from Moscow turned out to be successful for me. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the overall dimensions, told me about the terms of delivery. At the stage of consulting, he suggested a reactor for the preparation of a 100-liter solution with automatic control, which I was able to quickly negotiate with the company management. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The manager informed us 2 weeks in advance about the degree of readiness of the unit. 1 month after signing the contract we received the reactor. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's guarantee, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We assembled the machine, and in a week we trained the workers, who will be assigned to the machine. The machine is a hopper, tightly closed with a lid.